Hey everyone, we are on location in the Czech Republic in the home of the Chudek family. And it's really great that we get to cook here, yes. And
Yeah.
this is not Sarah. This is,
No, I think it's obvious.
yeah, this is our good friend Misha, who you may have seen on a previous episode. We'll put a link in the comments. And
Be sure to check it out.
yes, and what are we cooking today?
We are making chicken Alfredo.
Which is Czech, right?
No.
It's Italian. So here our episode is going to be called One American, One Czech, Cook Italian in the Czech Republic. Let's get cooking.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, these are our ingredients. We've got chicken, cheese, we've got pasta, cream, and baking soda. The baking soda is our secret ingredient, which we'll rinse off
Okay.
actually. Yeah, what are you doing? Wow.
So here I'm grinding cheese. You can see I'm super fast. Okay,
Wow.
not that fast
That's your
because the shredder was,
superpower.
well, maybe with a better shredder, I would be better at it, but
And here we
no.
go. I'm cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. So you're shredding
Yeah.
cheese still when I'm doing this. And
Yes, because the shredder was not sharp at all.
okay, and what's going on here?
So we are putting some soda on the meat to tenderize it.
Oh yeah, and we let that sit on the meat for, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes while I was doing everything
Hmm.
else, or we were doing everything else. And then you have to rinse the soda off, otherwise it gives it a bitter
Yeah,
flavor.
but it did
And
the trick, and the meat was really great afterwards.
oh yeah, yeah. And that was my famous garlic smashing technique to get the papers off of the skins off the garlic. And now you are going to do something amazing. We're going to put the chicken in a skillet with some butter. And
Exactly, and just
yeah,
mix, mix, mix.
yep. And for some reason, looking at that wooden spatula makes me happy. I don't know why. I don't. It's just makes me happy.
Maybe it's because of the smile.
Maybe. And there's salt, just a little bit of salt to taste, and the lovely garlic. So once that chicken is browned, we're putting in our pot. Well, we tried to put it in the pot. That was my fault there.
Yeah, a
And
few of them escaped.
yep. And what are you adding there?
Cream, 1 and 2. Both creams to just have the great sauce. And
Yep.
then cheese.
Yes. And we'll let that cheese melt in there. And you can add other thickening agents like flour if you want to for a thicker sauce. I think we did in the end, maybe a
Yeah.
tablespoon, but would have been a fine sauce without it. And this is how noodles oil in the Czech Republic, I guess.
Yes, we don't have big pots for it.
And here it is. It's all ready to eat. It looks fantastic, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Taste testers, yay! And look at how excited Noah is. Wow,
He just goes for it.
yeah, but he doesn't look excited anymore, does he?
Oh, yeah, not impressed anymore.
Not so much. Leah, I'm hopeful Leah's gonna, there we go.
I don't know why Noah didn't like this. What did you think?
I guess something in your genes made it picky.
My cheese, you're the one who grated the cheese. It was, I thought, very good. You've had some? What do you think?
Yes, it was really good.
Creamy and garlic flavor. It's just and
Mhm.
easy to make. So you can try
Yeah.
this one at home. We'll try to give you a recipe, but you saw we didn't measure anything. You just do it until it looks right and tastes right.
Yep.
That's one of the nice things about sauces. So we're going to go eat more of this right now. Thanks for joining us on today's episode. And until next time, buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Bye-bye. Ciao.
Ciao.
No, we got to start this. Oh, we were close.